President of Amuco, P.H. Nandoluwang, asserted that individuals who harbor animosity towards unity are free to leave Manipur. However, they are not entitled to take even a single inch of the land. He made the statement while attending the third Foundation Day of All Kwakta Youths Voluntary Organization held today at Kwakta Bazaar Multipurpose Community Hall. Working President Yungkai Mayum Hayatur Rahman, President of All Kwakta Youths Voluntary Organization, Merai Mayum Salamat Ali, and President of United Clubs Organization of Bishnupur District, W. Basanta, among others, attended the event. Speaking in the event, P.H. Nandoluwang called for peaceful coexistence among the diverse communities of the state. He pointed out that despite the Meitei community's consistent call for peaceful coexistence, the central government has been pursuing various agendas that threaten the harmonious living of the community. He appealed to the public to remain vigilant and not to be swayed by the central government's divisive agendas.
Manipur